men's blazers, preferably, and then men vests, or they're calling them waistcoats now. I will wear my waistcoat. Yes, it's not a vest, it's a waistcoat. Anyway, it's a vest, okay? It's a suit vest. A waistcoat. Here's Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nisha from Nisha's View, and today we're going to be talking about fashion. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for joining. And on this channel, I talk about fashion and I talk about photography. And like I said, we're on the fashion side today. And what we're going to be talking about today, spring, summer things that I'm going to be getting into. Now, I'm not going to hold you long like the pastor say, but I have my notes, so I'm going to stay focused, stay on it. And yeah, so stay tuned. You're going to learn about, we're going to talk about spring, summer 2024, not necessarily trends that I'm getting into, but just things that I'm going to add into my wardrobe. And, you know, just a little bit of styling that I'm going to do and my twist on the trend. All right, so stay tuned. We're gonna get right into it. All right, so like I said, I have my notes, so I'm gonna stay focused and stay on it. And the first thing that I'm going to do this spring and summer 2024 is introduce more color. Now, I know I said I was gonna do more color the beginning of the year when I did all that no-buy and, you know, looked at what was in my closet, and I said, you know, I don't have a lot of color because I'm not a color girl. I like neutrals. I like blacks and I like browns and grays. So I said, okay, I got you, Nisha. You're gonna change it up for 2024, spring 2024, summer 2024. You're gonna put some color on. Look what I got on. I got on some color. I got on green. Yes, green. I have on green. It's a color. Yes, so one of the colors that I'm going to introduce, because I can't do them all because my spirit just won't allow that, okay? Because I'm a neutral girl. So what I'm going to do is incorporate three colors that I'm calling colorful neutrals. And those colorful neutrals are yellow. Yellow can go with anything. Yellow can go with blue. Yellow can go with orange. Yellow can go with black. Yellow can go with white. Yellow can go with tan. Yellow can go with brown. You get the picture. Yellow can go with just about anything. So therefore, she is a neutral. She is a neutral. In any shade of yellow, right? You got sun yellow. You got light yellow, pale yellow, almost on the border of gold yellow. Yeah, so yellow is the first color. Second color, orange. Yes, orange. Orange is a colorful neutral, a neutral color that is colorful. Orange. But anyway, yeah, we're going to get into orange. And orange, like I said, can go with anything. It's a neutral. It can go with blue. It can go with denim. So good. Blue denim. Denim, black, white again, tan, browns, purples, just an array of colors. And orange, you know, orange has a long line of color variations in there. And that is, you know, you have your sherbets, you have your light orange, you have your dark orange, you have your burnt orange that goes very well with a brown or with a tan or even another denim, a dark denim, a light denim. You know, you see what I'm going with this. Okay, and the third color. The third color is what I have on. Yes, green. Green is my third colorful neutral that I'm going to be getting into. And green, like I said, can go with any color. Green is a neutral. It can go with blue. It can go with yellow. It can go with orange. Okay, it can go with brown, it can go with black, of course, it can go with white, it can go with tan. You see what I'm saying here? So yeah, green, yellow, and orange are going to be the three colors that I myself can get into because I'm a neutral person. And with those neutrals, I can put other neutrals with, and we'll be just a neutral family, but a little colorful neutral family. All right. Second thing that I'm going to be getting into for this 2024 spring summer edition are long shorts. Now, I did a video on how to style long shorts back in the fall, and I linked that video here. You can see how I did these black long shorts. I think I styled them maybe 3 or 4 ways, can't remember, but I'll link the video. But anyway, this spring, summer, long shorts, Bermuda shorts, culottes, okay? These are not your mama culottes. These are different kind of culottes, okay? So definitely I'm going to be getting into wearing those more, and specifically like a tailored, structured, long short, or, baggy short, but still kind of tailored, still in that family of a long short and a Bermuda short, but just a little oversized, just a little bit of oversized in that. So yeah, and styling that in a preppy way. Now, I've said this in a previous video that I love to style things in that type of style, right? I'm a preppy type of girl. I like Oxford shirts and, sweaters and just things like that. I like the preppy look. And so the way I'm going to style my long shorts will be in a preppy style. Blazers. Yeah. All right. And the third thing that I am going to be getting more into this spring, summer 2024 is pants, specifically pants that have print color, designs, like different designs on them, different colors in them. That way I can pull out those different colors, right? And put my colors with the pants. You see, I put my color with the pants. But anyway, yes. So what got me into that was the Charles Jeffrey Loverboy pants. I put a picture up. These pants are so good with color. There were so many different colors in those pants that I was like, okay, yeah, I have to get into color, because it helped me to embrace color because there were so many colors in the pants. So, and it was easy to find a color that went with the pant because it had so many colors in it. But anyway, so yeah, so colorful pants, okay? They may be a little shocking at first, but you'll follow me along and you'll see that how I'm gonna put it together. But yeah, I'm on the lookout for pants that are very colorful, and that will definitely help me to stay in my zone and stay true to what I'm saying to myself and living up to what I'm saying that I'm going to do, which was to introduce more color. Now, out of those 3 things, I have a 4th, and this is a bonus one. I'm going to go back to thrifting a lot more than I've been in the past. I mean, since COVID hit, we weren't in the thrift stores like we were before COVID. So now I'm definitely gonna get back into thrifting a little bit more, especially blazers. About 95% of the blazers that I own come from thrifting. So I'm going to, and when you thrift, you have to go in with intention. I never go into a thrift store just to go, I go with what I'm looking for, in mind, so that when I'm getting in there, I know exactly what I want, exactly where to go, and exactly, what I'm looking for, what I'm trying to find. Because I'm not thrifting to resell. I'm thrifting for Nisha. I'm thrifting for me, right? So it's not like I'm just going through there and looking through stuff. I'm looking for specific items that I want to add to my wardrobe. So definitely blazers and then vests. And we will be starting in the men's section for both of those. So men's blazers, preferably, and then men vests, or they're calling them waistcoats now. I will wear my waistcoat. Yes, it's not a vest, it's a waistcoat. Anyway, it's a vest, okay? It's a suit vest. A waistcoat. Good stuff. But anyway, I will be looking for those two things mainly when I go through. So I may shoot some content. Let's see how it goes with that and incorporate it here, and then I can show what I got from the thrift store. So yeah, that is it. That completes everything that I wanted to share. Oh, and I wouldn't, it wouldn't be spring, summer without some shoes. Okay. Come on now. You know me. You know I'm a shoe lover, and I'm going to give you some shoes every time. Okay? So definitely shoes are always on my list. I stopped saying the type of shoes that I'm looking for, because all shoes are in my view. I can't just say, oh, now I did say in January that I was looking for some pointed toe, some heels, some pumps, pointed toe pumps. I got them. They hurt. So yeah, I'm looking for some more. So anyway, yeah. So shoes are always an option. I'm never not going to buy some shoes, because like I said, I will buy a pair of shoes before I have an outfit. I don't care. I got the shoes, then let me find the outfit. But so yeah, so that's it. That's all I wanted to talk to you about. It was a really quick video. I'm hoping just some things that I'm sharing for my spring summer 2024 that I'm going to be trying out, trends / my style. So if you like this kind of content, definitely stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button, hit like, come on, comment, what you're wearing this spring, this summer, what you're putting on, yeah. So yeah, go ahead, join the family. I would love to have you come back. I would love to have you to stay. I would love to dialogue with you in the comments. So definitely tune in. Why you're not focusing? You're not. Sometimes this sheepy. I use a 50 millimeter lens, and sometimes she don't be doing what I be wanting her to do. But girl, you need to stop. Okay, you need to stop it. Stop acting up. But anyway, so yeah, so that's all that I have for today. And again, thank you for joining me. Thank you for sticking it out. And I hope, this is a little bit helpful to some of you that are looking to spruce up your 2024 spring summer wardrobe. And it all starts in your closet pretty much. So anyway, that's all that I have. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time.
Thanks for watching my GG channel. Period.